welcome back to another space-filled episode of Curious Kids. I'm your host, Giuseppe Piazzi. Today, we're heading to a fascinating part of our solar system, the Asteroid Belt. It's a region filled with rocky objects between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Let's explore this cosmic highway and discover what makes the Asteroid Belt so special.
Chapter 1. What is the asteroid belt? The asteroid belt is a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and it's full of rocky objects called asteroids. These asteroids are pieces of rock and metal, some as small as pebbles, while others are as large as a dwarf planet like Ceres. Even though the asteroid belt has thousands of objects, it's mostly empty space. The asteroids are spread out over such a large area that if you were flying through it, you'd have to travel a long way to hit one. Chapter 2. How the asteroid belt was formed. The asteroid belt is made up of leftover pieces from the formation of the solar system. Over 4.5 billion years ago, the planets were forming, but the gravity from Jupiter was so strong that it prevented these pieces from coming together to form a planet. Instead of becoming a planet, these chunks of rock and metal stayed in orbit around the Sun, forming what we now call the asteroid belt. It's like a fossilized remnant of the early solar system. Chapter 3. What's inside the asteroid belt? The asteroid belt is home to many interesting objects, from small rocks to larger bodies like Ceres, the dwarf planet. Some asteroids are made mostly of rock, while others are rich in metals like iron and nickel. Scientists study these asteroids because they give us clues about how the solar system was formed. NASA has even sent spacecraft to study asteroids up close. Missions like Dawn and OSIRIS-REx have taught us more about these mysterious objects and how they've been shaped by time and space. The asteroid belt may look like a chaotic field of rocks, but it's actually a fascinating region that helps us understand the history of our solar system. From giant asteroids like Ceres to tiny space rocks, the asteroid belt is full of cosmic treasures. So, today, we learned that the asteroid belt is a region between Mars and Jupiter, filled with rocky objects that never formed into a planet. It's a relic of the early solar system and continues to teach us about the origins of space. And now, for a spacey joke before we go, why don't asteroids ever get lost? Because they always know their way around the belt. Thanks for watching, Curious Kids. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our cosmic adventures. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.